Hello traders, right, it's Friday evening and I was just flicking through charts. ETH is something that I like to trade at the weekends, and I had, during the week we'd posted this 3 candle reversal situation here, daily 3CR down. At the time I said yeah, watch for the pullback. We did get a little pullback, but it wasn't the tidiest of moves. It went in, by that I mean it went down and then went back up, as opposed to just going back up and then down. But as you can see, that's beside the by. It could have been traded, just would have been a little more tricky than the usual 3CR reversal to the long side before it continues down. But the point of this video is that you can see it did actually go down, and what I found interesting was when I started to look at this, and I haven't really looked closely at this before. I love ETH, as you know if you follow me on Twitter, because it seems to work. You know, it trades well between the pivots. It trades quite predictably, for want of a better word. And my theory is that the cryptos, ETH in particular, is heavily run by algos. And what's interesting I noticed from this is, look, you know, the 3CR down, there's the pullback, here's the continuation to the downside. That was just a gold trade short that made my phone go off like that, if you could hear it. ETH, bit of a 3CR or bit of a break of support becomes tested as resistance there too. Big candle down, pullback, continuation. 3CR up, pullback, continuation. You know, break of support down, high, low, lower, high, lower, low. These are all daily candles, by the way. Pullback, continuation. So, you know, you're not always going to, and oh well, we've closed below that level there too, and then we've gapped down in this instance. That's why we've got a weird green candle there. But you know, this is, I've talked about this on hourly charts and 4 hour and daily. That's a trend: low, high, high, low, high, high. And what happens? We've had some sort of break here, and remember now I talk about the line chart 3CRs, so rather than potentially that didn't break the high there, I don't know, it's not triggered on Aaron's alert, but what is the high? 256695, and that close does look like it's closed above it. Close 2593, so it should have triggered a 3CR there. That was manually a 3CR, so 3CR up, pullback, continuation. I mean, it's just crazy, absolutely crazy. 3CR down, we've talked about that one, pullback to the long side, continuation down. 3CR up, bit of a pullback, but it's continued up as well, a doji candle. 3CR down, you know, we have pullback, continuation. So that's the whole point of this video, guys, to be honest with you. ETH seems to follow the rules absolutely fantastically. I mean, you know, if we knew this was a 3 candle reversal 2 or 3 days ago, and lo and behold, you know, it continues on down. So once again, we are at the end of the week, and Sunday is the weekly close for Bitcoin, or rather cryptos, and we can start to look later on today at the weekly closes on all the FX pairs and the indices and stuff like that, and see whether we are likely to get these potential reversals again on big weekly candles. So once again, I can't believe a whole week has gone, but you know, this I found quite fascinating. I don't know, I didn't even look at BTC to see what that did, but we can have a look. There's the 3 candle reversal that I highlighted during the week, or a couple of nights ago, and there's the pullback. Came back to hit that the low of that red candle, test old support broken as new resistance, and then lo and behold, it collapsed. You know, 3 candle reversals, literally 3 candles, and it tells you the direction the price might go. 3CR down, that's what that pink line is there. Pullback, continuation, no surprises there. Line chart 3CR, or once again just the same as ETH, low high high, low high high. That's a trend. It's broken some sort of resistance here, gets tested as support, continues on up. It is not rocket science, guys. That's what 3 candle reversals are. 3 candle reversal, thank you to Aaron's indicator. What do we get? A pullback, then a continuation. 3 candle reversal, there's the trigger. Pullback, continuation. 3 candle reversal down, what do we get? A big old pullback, and this one reverses on itself and continues up. So you can see why I get quite excited when I see a 3CR, because we get the pullback, we could continue down or we could continue up, but watch for that pullback, guys. That's a trade. Every time you get one of these, that's a trade. That was a trade. That was a trade. And that was a trade. So, and they can be traded on a 5-minute chart, remember. If you've got a 3CR, get ready for that reversal and get down on those lower time frames. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.